General bit of advice if you're going to undertake a renovation, major or otherwise. The first thing you should do is, before any of the work begins, go around and take pictures and or video of the way the place looks at the start. One of my regrets in this whole process is that I didn't do that. So it's pretty difficult to show kind of, before and after pictures when you don't have the before pictures. And I say, just a sort of random bit of advice. Imagine that is a counter. Hey, no, leave that stuff alone. No, hey, no, put that down. Marley, drop it. Drop it. Here, give it to me. Come on. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Downstairs. Go on. Good girl. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm right behind you. I am. The bunny got away. This is good. Marley, leave the bunny alone. She's gonna go see if there's another bunny. I don't think there's another bunny. Marley zoomies. Come on. Yeah, no. Oh, okay, you can have that. Yep, you can get that. Get the ball. Come on. There she goes. You ready? You ready? All right, Marley, here goes. Let's go get it. Good girl. Okay, can I have it, Mar? Can I have the ball? Apparently I cannot have the ball. Oh. She does not believe in the shortest path between 2 points. Hey, give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. Oh, come on. Yeah. Come on. Oh, look at those mighty feet. Come on. Let me have the ball. Yeah. No, or not. Can I have it? Can I have it? Give me the ball. Give me the ball. All right. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Ready? Here goes. All right. Come on. Here's the ball. All right. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Here goes. Go get it. You go get it? You go get it? Oh, tail chasing. Tail chasing, more interesting. You go get it, Marley. Ah, okay. Fireplace. That should, I think, get framed in tomorrow. Another fireplace over there. These are gas fireplaces. I've talked about this before. I think there's going to be some work on the mini split coming up. Exciting stuff. Marley and I have things to do today, though, so. So here is my new tankless hot water heater. Now all I need to do is have the gas inspection done, and I'm sure that'll pass, hopefully. And then get the natural gas turned back on. Yeah, Marley's liking it. Looking forward to having hot water again. Yeah, that'll be very, very nice.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Oh, no bunny today.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter.
And there she is. Hey, Marley. Is that a wrap, Marley? Is that a wrap? Yeah, that's a wrap.